Hey guys, so welcome to another episode. So what we're looking at right now is the number one question on everybody's mind, especially in the Western Cape. Can the Western Cape escape level 4 or level 5? So today Cyril Ramaphosa came to the Western Cape and he had a bit of an interview, had a bit of a walk around with the Western Cape government. Um, and they went around to a lot of institutions, especially the remote hospitals that's been set up. There's one set up in Khayelitsha, one in Brackenfell, um, one also at the CTICC, and there's a couple more being set up. And what were some of the things that Cyril had to say? Well, this is the opening of the CTICC, which happened today out in Cape Town, and they were pretty pleased with how many beds were set up and what they can expect from this amazing institution. And the number one thing that everybody just needs to identify with is the province is currently sitting at 11,071 active COVID-19 cases, and with 30,000 confirmed cases, 17,500 recoveries by 1 p.m. today. So, I mean, this is a massive number in terms of the amount of cases that we are currently looking at. So this is Ramaphosa inside of the CTICC. As you can see, a lot of staff waiting and ready, not only for him, but what's to come tomorrow. So at the same time, Cyril says, right now we're sitting in a situation where we are at war. It's a life or death situation, and saving lives must remain the number one priority on everybody's list. And our main issue right now is to save lives, and we need to win this war. And the number one issue that's always been on everybody's mind is we don't have funds to fight this virus. Well, Cyril has just mentioned now that funds is not an issue, and if the health system is needing more funds, he will make them available. And when we're looking at this, the overall amount of cases, so right now we're looking at 40,000 cases, with 20,000 of those cases coming from the Western Cape. That's a 66% percentage and 66% ratio when we're looking at the Greater South Africa. So what the health minister has also said is that the rest of South Africa cannot see something what the Western Cape has seen. And in order to combat that and in order to prevent it, we need to stop what's happening now. So at the end of the day, everything still lays with you. What you do matters every single day. If you take this thing seriously, we can combat this together. So this is just what's happening out in Khayelitsha. As you can see, they're preparing. It's one of the hotspots out in the Western Cape. It's another center that's set up. And right now, where Cyril says the number one cause and the number one fight is money is not an obstacle. As you can see, a lot of doctors and nurses have said previously, why can't they get a job? Well, previously they've said money was an issue, but right now money is not an issue, and they've just made 5,500 positions become available. So if you're taking a look right now at the bottom of the screen, you will see 4,000 of those 5,500 positions are for doctors and nurses, which is pretty cool. It's something that's been waited for, something that we all have been waiting in anticipation. And we know that one thing for sure, that if we all jump in this together, we can fight this thing together. So I just want to say thank you very much for jumping onto this video with me this evening, and I look forward to chatting with you soon.